Love getting wood chips delivered. We signed up on chipdrop.com, and website they allow you to make a donation if you'd like, but it's free, and they will contact you when they have wood chips and they're ready to dump them on your property.
Mom, get outside. She wants to be in the picture too, Mom.
Oh my gosh. Trash loves.
Look, she needs to be in the picture.
He loves being on top. He loves being on top.
Mom.
You guys, it's finally fall. It's finally sweater weather. And it's windy. And we've got this pile of wood chips that we need to tackle. So let's get to work. This tool right here is worth its weight in gold. It's so good, so easy. Look at those wood chips. Much better than a shovel for sure. This is our problem area right here, right next to the duck's pool. One load done. About 100 more to go. I think the ducks are mad at me because I'm taking their little muddy puddle away from them. They don't know that they'll be healthier if they step on wood chips, as well as their friends, the chickens. I had these made on top of some Bermuda grass that we inherited from our other property. But then we were using it to step on because the mud in that corner was so bad that you couldn't even go over there. But now we don't need it anymore. So that's a good thing. Save 10 for another project at the homestead. Since everyone is checking out the wood chips. What do you want to do? You better not come at me. Good boy. I just want to show you guys how happy everybody is. They're happy about the wood chips. Cleaner water without all that clay. Doesn't that look nice, duckies? They're so happy. Okay, final update. Here's where the pile of wood chips used to lay on. And now they have been spread out. And our chicken run doesn't have mud anymore. Does that feel nice? And now we just need to get another pile of wood chips to finish the bottom of the hill. But it's looking pretty good. Wouldn't you agree? I think I do. Thank you for joining us. Hope you're liking the content. And if you feel so inclined, subscribe. We'll be talking more about our homestead journey in the next few videos. Okay, bye.